Hi friends, it's me, Miss Araceli again. So good to see you. So today we are going to be making a cool science experiment, and it's called a tornado in a jar. But before we get to do our tornado in a jar, I have to tell you what a tornado is. A tornado is when we have warm air and cold air and they crash into each other, forming this big cone shape. The top of the cone, which is a circle, is going to be touching the sky, and the pointy part of the cone is going to be touching the ground. And it starts spinning around in circles, but it starts spinning really, really fast. Okay, so this is what you'll need. Measuring spoons, empty jar, vinegar, soap, and some water. We're going to pour our water into the jar until it almost reaches the top. Then we are going to add 1 tablespoon of vinegar. And 1 pump of soap. Close our jar. In order for us to create our tornado, we have to spin our jar really fast in a circular motion, or back and forth. Can you see our tornado? That was pretty cool. Let's try it again. I hope you enjoyed making the tornado in a jar at home. We'll see you next time. Bye!